Right, first thing we're going to tackle is these headlights. On the MOT it says that the headlights are misty, as you can see. I'm going to try and get that out of there. I'm going to polish them. We've polished them before, but we've never had them apart. And also it says that the headlight levelling don't work. We can hear the motors.
Well, this one has obviously been off before, but the other one is still original.
So we need some 10mm, are they? Yeah.
So
A couple of 10mm for there, and we've got a couple.
If that one's still set like it was originally,
yeah.
This one they've messed with could be the one that's not set
Yeah,
right.
I wonder. The thing is, does it even work?
I don't know.
We'll get them out. We'll have a look anyway. So first thing we're going to do is take them out. As you can see, this one has been out before because it should look like this. So we're going to get them out, and we're going to get them out.
Not with this Mickey Mouse screwdriver.
I'll get a bigger one. I've got you a Hulk one.
I need a ladder.
There you go. Tool review. These are from Aldi. Extra long screwdrivers. 15 quid for a full set.
That's from Disneyland.
This is silver line. Thing with these is they've got this head on there, 13mm, but it ain't attached to the actual screwdriver. So it just spins around when you spanners on it. So we've got super long. That's a quality screwdriver. That is 15 quid for a full set.
It is.
And you can unscrew things that they're in the moon. Yeah. You can unscrew screws out of the moon with that while you're standing on there.
I think the bumper's going to fall off. How long is it?
Is it coming out or just turning now?
No, it's about 2 weeks. 2 weeks long. Armed out, I feel like we should snap it off now.
I'll come back when it's out. He's still going.
Oh, I can feel it.
You can feel it. It's out. That was three hours later. That's come out of there. So we'll pull the light out. Like so.
Okay.
And we've got a connector. What's in there? What's this? Oh, that's the fog light. And then in here is absolutely nothing other than the battery. So the motor, it's got to be something to do with this game here. But we can hear the motor turning when we adjust the thing, but something ain't happening. What are these? We'll take it inside and we'll pull it apart. And we'll see what happens.
These look like they're gears, don't they?
Yeah. That will move as well?
Yeah.
What we need to check then is that the motor's working in this, see?
We'll give it a bit. I ain't going to
You don't want to undo them
wind
all
them in
out.
and out, so we're not going to know what position them in. This one.
Them three.
Yeah.
Let's find out online, see if we can find out which of them controls the motor. So our plan is, scared him, our plan is to take the front of this off so we can clean the inside of it, and also while the front of it's off we can have a look and check the motor, see if we can find out why that ain't working. I have to heat it up on the outside to heat like the mastic stuff that sticks in, and then slowly peel it away. Some people do this in an oven, but I think it's easier with a heat gun. So we'll do that, then we'll come back. Right, it's starting to come apart now, as you can see. Just got to melt the glue.
It's really stuck.
And then it starts coming. And I'm not screws in anyway, is that?
Now it's just stuck.
Here it comes.
Break the what's it as you go around the glue. Sometimes it stretches that much. You need to. There ain't much on this, really, you know.
There we go. Pull that over there. So now we've got the lens separated from the light itself, so we can get behind these lights to look at the motor, and we can also unscrew this off here. There's a few screws holding this black plastic on, and that means we can clean this up nice on the inside and polish it on the outside. What we've done is we've parted the lights there. You can see that bit is stuck to this bit here. It's screwed in.
Yeah, it screws in.
So that bit is normally in here. There's a clean rag there, Dad, if you want to clean the black stuff.
It goes back in there, and there's just two little screws there. That's all that holds it in. 2
screws holding that in, and then that's give us a chance to clean the inside of that, which it is clean. Oh, that stuff's just fell out that light. But we've polished it on the outside, as you can see. If you look at that compared to the one when we put it back in, we've polished it on the outside, got all the condensation out the inside and get a quick polish. And then we're going to put the light back in, put the screws in, and then heat up the outer part of the light over there, heat that up, and then we squeeze it back together, and that should hopefully seal it and make it watertight again. So we'll do that. So we'll just push that into place, and now there's a couple of screws. Just screw it in. Like that, and there it is, much cleaner, much nicer
and drier.
Yes. So I'll show you the one outside. This is the other one. So that's what it looks like. You can see all of this up here compared to this one. Yeah, big difference. So we'll put it back together. So we're just going to heat the glue up around the edge, and you'll see it start getting shiny. When it starts getting shiny, it's warm enough to stick to the cover on.
Make sure it does stick to your fingers.
Yeah, that's tacking out. Chuck that in then. You might have to go round it again just to warm it up to get it to push in, but it should push in and clip down. It's as easy as that, look. And then there is 2 screws. You can eat that bit up. There is 2 screws that will pull it together. What we'll do is heat it up and squeeze it together, then we'll show you when it's... Right, so the light's back together. It's all been cleaned. All the way around. So we'll plug it in. Oh, we put the black out thing on the bottom of it. I'm going to have to put the trim. So the light's back in. There you can see lovely shininess. Just needs a quick wipe out from our fingerprints. And then I'm holding it back in. Just want to show you the way to adjust the tilt of the beam. There, as you can see in there, in that hole there, there's notches. Move them notches, move that notch, and it will tip the beam up or down. And then you've got the auto beam, which is what I said will work on the MIT, which seems to be working fine. Which is what you alter if you've got weight in the car. So you can see that nice new looking clean light compared to that thing. So we'll do that one next. There it is with a fresh light, old pebby light. So we need to check if that's working, do we? Going up and down, or shall we just wait and do it when them both out?
Yeah, we'll set it up in line here.
Okay, then please like and subscribe. We'll do more videos. We'll get this light done. I don't know if we'll do that on camera, but we'll continue doing other things on the car for you. So like it. Job done. Which one is he? None of them. Oh, this one. Pow. Now what it is to cross things out when you're looking through. Well, it's hard when the pin don't work, but when you're looking through a camera at it. There we go. Fixed light lever. That's the adjuster for the lights fixed. Anything else? I'm going to look at cracking the bumper next. Wiper blades. So yeah, so far the headlights have been done. So the headlights have been cleaned, and oh, that's the other one, defog lights. So them two are done. So the rest of that's on that list.